Hello, and welcome to Super English Podcast 2, the podcast for learners who want to speak English with more confidence and joy. I'm Zoji, and I'm here to help you speak English more naturally, step by step, day by day. I will be speaking slowly and clearly so you can follow me and repeat after me. In today's episode, we're going to talk about one of the most important skills for learning any language, listening. We will explore why listening is so powerful and how you can practice it every single day, even if you have a busy life. Many people think that to learn English, they need to focus only on speaking. They spend hours trying to talk, but they forget about a very important secret. To speak well, you must first listen well. Listening is the foundation of language. Think about how a baby learns. A baby listens for many months before it says its first word. It absorbs the sounds, the rhythm, and the melody of the language. You can do the same. When you listen a lot, 3 amazing things happen. First, your pronunciation gets better. You start to hear the real sounds of English, not just the sounds from a textbook, but the way native speakers actually talk. You learn the music of the language. Second, you learn new words and phrases naturally. You don't have to memorize long lists of vocabulary. When you hear a word in a real conversation or a story, your brain remembers it much better. It's learning with context. Third, you start to understand grammar without studying boring rules. You get a feel for what sounds right. Your brain learns the patterns of English sentences automatically, just by hearing them again and again. So, the big question is, how can you listen more? How can you make it a daily habit? It's easier than you think. You don't need to sit down for hours and study. You just need to make English a part of your daily life. Here are 5 easy ways to do that. Let's start with the first one. 1. Find your English soundtrack. Think of English as the background music to your day. You can listen while you are doing other things. For example, you can listen to an English podcast while you are cooking dinner, cleaning the house, or walking to work. You don't need to understand every word. Just let the sounds of English enter your ears. This is called passive listening. It helps your brain get used to the rhythm and flow of English. You can find podcasts on any topic you like: comedy, news, stories, or even learning English, like this one. 2. Watch and learn. Watching movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos in English is a fantastic way to practice. At first, it might feel difficult. Here's a simple trick. Use subtitles. You can start with subtitles in your own language. This helps you follow the story. After you feel more comfortable, switch to English subtitles. This helps you connect the spoken words with the written words. Finally, when you feel ready, try watching without any subtitles at all. Don't worry if you miss some words, just try to understand the main idea. This is great practice for your ears. 3. The power of music. Do you love music? Of course you do. Music is a fun and powerful tool for learning English. Find an English song that you like. First, just listen to the melody and enjoy it. Then, find the lyrics online. Read the lyrics while you listen to the song. This will help you understand the words. You can even try to sing along. Singing helps you practice your pronunciation and rhythm. It's like exercise for your mouth and your ears. And because you love the song, it won't feel like studying at all. 4. The shadowing technique. Now, let's talk about a very powerful technique called shadowing. We mentioned this in our last episode. It's simple and it works wonders for your speaking and listening at the same time. Here's how it works. You listen to someone speaking English, like me right now, and you try to repeat exactly what they say at the same time. You are their shadow. You don't need to wait for them to finish the sentence. You speak along with them. Let's try it together. I'll say a simple sentence, and you try to say it with me. Ready? I am learning English every day. Let's try another one. Listening is the key to speaking. Very good. At first, shadowing can feel strange, but if you practice for just a few minutes every day, you will be amazed. Your speaking will become smoother, and your listening will become sharper. 5. 1-minute listening challenges. I know you are busy, so here is a challenge that only takes 1 minute. Every day, find a short audio or video clip in English. It could be a news headline, a short clip from a movie, or a message from a friend. Listen to it carefully, 2 or 3 times. Then, ask yourself some simple questions. What was the main topic? Did I hear any new words? Can I summarize it in 1 sentence? This 1-minute challenge trains your brain to focus and listen for important information. It's a small step, but small steps lead to big results. So, there you have it. 5 simple ways to improve your English listening skills. Remember, the secret is to make English a part of your world. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait until you have a lot of free time. Start today. Choose one of these tips and try it. Maybe you can listen to an English song on your way home, or watch a short video during your lunch break. The most important thing is to be consistent. A little bit of practice every day is much better than a lot of practice once a week. Let English be a source of joy and discovery in your life, not just another subject to study. Thank you for joining me on Super English Podcast 2. I believe in you, and I know you can achieve your English goals. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep shining. See you next time.